Wondering if your iPhone's battery is original or if it's been replaced with a third-party one? It's a common concern, especially since using a non-original battery can affect your iPhone's performance and could even cause some safety risks. But don't worry, I've got a simple guide to help you check if your iPhone's battery is the real deal. Let's dive into these easy steps. Solution 1. Check battery health in the settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a little and tap on Battery. After that, tap on Battery Health and Charging. Now you'll be able to see the maximum capacity of your battery and whether it's marked as original or not. If your battery is original, there shouldn't be any warnings like battery replacement needed. For example, you might notice a message like unable to verify if the battery is non-original. Keep an eye out for that. Solution 2. Use 3U Tools to check battery information. 3U Tools is a helpful tool that lets you check in-depth details about your iPhone, including the battery status and whether it's original or not. First, download and install 3U Tools on your PC or Mac. After that, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Now open 3U Tools and wait for it to detect your device. Then go to the Device tab and click on Battery. Next, click on Verification Report. Finally, check the battery information section. If your iPhone's battery is original, you'll see the manufacturer's name, along with other authentic details such as serial numbers and manufacturing dates. And there you have it. These two methods should help you figure out if your iPhone's battery is original. If you found this guide useful, let me know in the comments. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to ask.